In this video, we're going to talk about rectangular prisms. I want you to write down in your journal a rectangular prism is, and we're going to talk about the characteristics that makes a rectangular prism a rectangular prism. First of all, a rectangular prism is a geometric solid It is three-dimensional. This is where we get the 3D from when we talk about movies are in 3D, three-dimensional. The three dimensions that are part of a rectangular prism are length, width, and height. So when you hear that things are two-dimensional, that means they only have two of these three. A rectangular prism, because it's a geometric solid, has all three measurements. We measure its length, we measure its width, and we also measure its height. So let's look at some examples. In this one you see a refrigerator. A refrigerator is a rectangular prism. It has length, which is 3 feet. It has width, which is 2 feet, and has height, which is 5 feet. So we call these dimensions. Dimensions are the actual numbers that represent the length, width, and height of a rectangular prism. So if you had a two-dimensional figure and you asked for its dimensions, it would just have length and width. But for the three-dimensional figures, which we call 3D, we do length, width, and height, and this has all three of them. Here are some more examples of some three-dimensional rectangular prisms that you see in everyday life. Juice boxes, you have Kleenex boxes, presents. Looks like a jewelry box of some sort. Your cereal boxes are three-dimensional rectangular prisms, and even a Rubik's Cube is a rectangular prism. A cube is just a very specific type of rectangular prism, but it still falls in the same family. What I want you to do now on the student side is go through your house and find 5 objects that are rectangular prisms and list them. Try not to use the ones that we already used as examples, like your refrigerator, the juice boxes, that kind of stuff. So try to find 5 other things that would be considered rectangular prisms and write them down.